What is up, guys? It's Hannah, and in today's video I'm gonna be making homemade iced coffee with instant coffee. This video was inspired by Roja Kumar. Her channel will be on the screen. If you want to go give her a sub. But yeah, I just wanted to disclaim that just in case anyone would say something. But it's been a minute since I made a video, and I just thought, since no one's home today and everyone's out, I just thought I'd make a video since I saw an opportunity. Also, if it's like a little bit like, if it looks a little tilted, I'm using the gimbal. Yeah, I'm using the gimbal. First time using it. I just wanted to see what it would be like if I started to use this thing. And it's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie, pretty cool. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This one is for the coffee lovers out there. So if you're a coffee lover like me, especially one that likes iced coffee, then I got you. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into it. Okay, so what I'm showing you right now is all the ingredients we're gonna need. First, you want to start off by grabbing a cup for your hot water and one for your iced coffee. Next, you just want to grab a bag of ice, obviously for your iced coffee. Next, you want to grab any kind of coffee syrup. I bought this one off of Amazon. It's French vanilla flavored. Next, you want to grab your instant coffee. Any brand would do. Next, you want to take out your sugar. Any kind of sugar would do. Next, you want to bring out your brown sugar. Again, any kind of sugar would do. Personally, I like brown sugar and white sugar. So next, you're going to want to fill your iced coffee cup with ice. Personally, I like mine halfway, and that's what I'm going to demonstrate to you in this video. So now that you got your iced coffee cup filled with ice, you're going to want to take your extra cup, fill a half cup of water, preferably microwavable, and put it in the microwave. By the way, you're only doing this for 30 seconds only because you don't want your water to be too hot. So while your water is warming up in the microwave, you're going to want to take your vanilla syrup or any kind of syrup you prefer and just pour a little so that it adds flavor to your coffee. So I struggled to get the cap open, but I finally did it, and now I'm just gonna pour a little bit of the syrup inside. So now that you're done with the syrup, you're gonna want to take out your warm water and set it down on the counter. Next, you're going to want to grab your instant coffee, make room if you have to, and open as you please. You're going to want to put your instant coffee in the warm water, obviously, but you're going to want to have some utensils with you. I'm using these tablespoons and little teaspoons. So first I'm going to use 1/2 tablespoons, and I'm going to put 2 because I like my coffee strong, but you can just put 1 if you don't really like your coffee strong. Now that you're done with your coffee, you're going to want to obviously close it because you don't want to accidentally spill it. But here I got a little aggressive because I was having trouble closing it fully, and then I just pushed it aside. Next, you're going to want to grab your sugar and use the same utensils again, except use 1/2 teaspoon. Now that you've added your teaspoon of sugar, you're just going to want to stir it. I do this for added sweetener. And here I'm just going to show you how it should look, because I know some people might be confused on how it actually should look. So now that you got your coffee all stirred up, you're going to want to pour it into the cup of ice, just like that. So in this next clip, I'm using milk. Some of you are probably going to be confused on why I use milk, but preferably that's what I like to use. I've tried to use creamer in the past, but I didn't really like how it made my coffee taste. So I'm just going to be putting it into my coffee, making it as light as I desire, but you can make yours as light as you desire, and you can use any kind of creamer you would like. So next I'm going to be adding the brown sugar, preferably 2 scoops, but you can add however many scoops you want. It's just to add a little bit more sweetener into the coffee. So next I'm just using my metal straw to help the brown sugar dissolve better, because I found that if you add brown sugar, it actually stays at the bottom. So I'm just helping it dissolve better. So as I was putting the brown sugar away, I found that I spilled some and an ice cube out of my cup, but I had to clean it up after. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this little montage of how to make homemade iced coffee. Okay, so now I just like to try my coffee, even if it doesn't taste as good as I made it the day before. I still drink it. First off, ow! My cat just bit my leg. That was rude. Okay, before, I never used to drink coffee ever. And then morning, my dad just made hot coffee, and then I tasted it. I didn't mind it. And then I just kept drinking it every morning. And then all of a sudden, I just got into coffee. And then I started getting Tim Hortons, and then I started getting Starbucks, and then like Starbucks' iced coffee, oh my god, it's literally the best coffee ever. Sadly, apparently, they're shutting down Starbucks and Tim's, but that's just a rumor going around. I don't even know if it's true, because I barely keep up with the news and all that, but usually my dad or my older brother tell me, what's going on. And obviously, since we're like taking precautions, I just like searched up how to make your own iced coffee at home, because like I don't want to keep going out every day, like I don't want to go out and keep buying iced coffee. Like, what if one day they just put something in the iced coffee, or whatever we buy, and like we get sick, and then so right now we're taking precautions. Well, we've always took precautions, even as quarantine began. But yeah, the one I make, oh my god, it's bomb, man. Like, ever since, like, we've always had this instant coffee, but my dad never knew what to do with it, so I really wanted to try homemade iced coffee, so I searched it up on YouTube, and then sooner or later I found a video, and I saw this small YouTuber make iced coffee, but then again, she's growing, and I'm so happy for her. I don't even know her personally, but if you see this video and you want to talk, I'd definitely be down to collaborate in the future, or whenever this pandemic is over. But yeah, I just searched up how to make homemade iced coffee, and what do you know, I find how to make homemade instant iced coffee. And yeah, my dad was actually surprised that I found a solution to use this iced coffee. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, share, comment down below what you want to see next. All my socials will be down below if you guys want to DM me or talk or whatever. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.